Now you can take French classes online in the comfort of your home and at your preferred timings. For classes 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. For more information, please send your queries on the number given below, or you can mail it at frenchlessonsbyindu@gmail.com.
Mamie, tu avais un téléphone mobile quand tu étais petite? Un téléphone mobile? Ma chérie, je n'avais pas de téléphone du tout. Tu n'avais pas de téléphone? Mais non. Mes parents habitaient dans un petit village et c'était courant à l'époque. Mais comment c'était possible? Les gens n'avaient pas la même vie que maintenant. On allait les uns chez les autres. Avec moi de vacances aussi. Tu regardais la télévision? Non, mes parents n'avaient pas la télévision. Mais je me souviens qu'on écoutait la radio. C'était un grand poste de radio. Cela m'impressionnait toujours d'entendre les voix qui sortaient de cette machine. J'étais trop petite pour comprendre comment ça fonctionnait. Je ne peux pas imaginer la vie sans télé. Tu sais, mon chéri, on ne regardait pas la télévision comme maintenant. Pendant les dîners, on parlait, on discutait et après, on jouait aux cartes. On lisait. Tu jouais comment si tu n'avais pas de console de jeu? Grandma, did you have a mobile phone when you were little? A mobile phone? Honey, I did not have a mobile phone at all. You did not have a phone? Oh no, my parents lived in a small village and it was common at that time. But how was that possible? People did not have the same life as they do now. We went to each other's house and we had less vacations too. Did you watch TV? No, my parents did not have television. But I remember we listened to the radio. It was a big radio set. It always impressed me to hear the voices coming out of that machine. I was too small to understand how it worked. Oh, I can't imagine life without TV. You know, honey, we were not watching TV like we do now. During the dinners, we talked, we discussed, and after, we played cards. And we read. How did you play if you did not have a game set?